Do you know how to subtract rational expressions? This problem was sent to us by John from Quezon, Philippines. Simplify the rational expression 2n over n squared minus 8n plus 16 minus 5n over n squared minus 16. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. Subtracting rational expression is the same thing as subtracting fractions. The first thing that we need to do here is factor out both denominators. The first denominator, n squared minus 8n plus 16, is a perfect square trinomial. Or you can also factor this by finding factors of 16 that will give a sum of negative 8. And that is negative 4 and negative 4. So we can write the factors as n minus 4 times n minus 4 or n minus 4 to the second power. For the second denominator, n squared minus 16, this is a difference of perfect squares. So we need to factor it as a product of sum and difference. We will split up n squared as n times n. And for negative 16, we will use positive 4 times negative 4. And now we're going to find the LCD. What do you think is the LCD for this rational expression? Notice that n minus 4 is common to both denominators. We will write n minus 4 and we will take the highest power exponent of 2. We also have n plus 4 in your denominator, so we will write n plus 4 as part of the LCD as well. Now that we have the LCD, the next thing that we need to do is divide the LCD by the denominator n minus 4 square. And n minus 4 square will cancel out, and we will still have n plus 4. So this means we need to multiply the numerator 2n by that n plus 4. Minus, do the same thing with the second rational expression. We divide the LCD by n plus 4 and n minus 4. Since our denominator has n minus 4 square, we can cancel out one of them. So we will still multiply 5n by n minus 4. Because one of the n minus 4s will cancel out. Now we need to simplify the numerator by doing distributive property. 2n times n is 2n squared. 2n times 4, we have 8n. And now we're distributing minus 5n, or the same thing as negative 5n. Negative 5n times n is negative 5n squared. Negative 5n times negative 4, that's positive 20n. And we will copy denominators n minus 4 squared and n plus 4. Now let's simplify this further. For the numerator, we can combine 2n squared and negative 5n squared. That is negative 3n squared. Next, we have 8n plus 20n. That is plus 28n. And our LCD, n minus 4 to the second power times n plus 4. So this is the simplest form of this rational expression. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.